Hello everyone, in this video we have to perform a very simple Python program. In this program we have to find the length of tuple. For example, we have a tuple. In this tuple we have elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4 elements are there in this tuple. So its length is 4 and we have to show 4 as an output of the program. So we will do it by using len function. It is a very simple program, so we'll start. First of all we have to make a variable myTuple equals to. In this tuple, we have to put some elements 10, 12, 33, 44, 55, 66 and 77. So we have some element in this tuple, we have to find its length. We will use len function here, len of myTuple. By just writing this, we have calculated the length of tuple and we have to store it in a variable called length. Length equals to len of myTuple. In the end, we have to display the length of the tuple as a final output of the program. Using print, the length of the tuple is, length. You can see our program is ready to run, so we will bring the terminal and run it. To run the program, we have to write Python space name of the file gyani_pandit.py. Enter. The length of the tuple is 7. So we'll increase this length, 88, 99, 111, 222, 333, 444. So we have increased this length and we will see what will be the output of the program now. Enter. The length of the tuple is 13 now. You can see we have calculated the length of a tuple in a very simple way. You can also try it by yourself. We have a lots of tutorials and courses available for you on Gyani Pandit. You can also explore them. Links are in the description.